channel. Today my dad ordered this new gray Cybertruck. Want to open? Here you go, let's open.
Show your Cybertruck. Oh my.
It's cool, right? Mom?
It's real cool.
Cool, okay. Underneath it, guys. It's a piece of cake, guys. The Venus needed to go to dip and finish. Okay, I need help. Wow. Wow. Hey guys, today I got this toy Cybertruck. So you can open doors. See the insides. Insides have a steering wheel. The inside have steering wheel. Okay. And here they have electric seats. Yeah, that's good. I can also open this. Okay, no. You can also open this thing. And to add stuff inside. Like some stuff. Okay. Mama said Tesla. And you can also do this. Open doors and open these things. Add some stuff inside. Like take a photo. Open all the stuff. Open. Okay, open. Mom, stop closing.